Hey there, my friend KIRKSHINTA TURNIPSEED here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are talking all about having a daily pay online business. And today I really want to answer the question about I failed before. Can this work for me to make money online? I want to go through some of the many reasons why people typically fail online and what are some solutions. And I want to end this by actually showing you that our members have overcome the reasons that I'm talking about today and are getting results. I'm going to show that to you at the end, and I'm going to show you how you can get started with this income system for yourself if you choose to get started. So let's jump into it. So we're talking about, if you failed before in your online business or you failed before with digital marketing, making money online, you really want to make this work for yourself, but you're wondering how. But let's talk about some common reasons why people do fail online, and some ways that can be turned around with our digital growth community. So one of the biggest obstacles to success is actually picking an income system that makes sense, like dollars and cents. And what do I mean by that? I see a lot of people invest in these expensive programs, and when I say expensive, I'm talking about thousands of dollars. On top of that, they got to get lots of tools and things that just have so much overhead. You haven't even made a profit yet, right? With us, there's no monthly fees. There's no large overhead. And that really is going to be able to put you in position to start making profits sooner than later, right? So the other thing with us is that we have high payouts, meaning that we're in position to be able to make $600 commissions, right? That's what we do in our digital growth community. So when you're able to have a business where it's no monthly fees, meaning your low overhead is non-existent, and you have no monthly fees and you have high payouts, that is a winning business. And every time that you get paid to the payment processor of your choosing, whether you use PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Zelle, whatever. However you want to receive coins in your digital business, you're able to do that. No one's holding your money. No one's touching your money besides you, member to member. So that's the first thing. That prevents one of the first reasons why people fail is not having a right income system, right? In terms of it being structured the right way for you to win from jump. Number two, another roadblock is lack of training. Okay. So not knowing what you're supposed to be doing on a daily basis, period. What are you supposed to be doing to generate leads, to generate sales in your business, right? If you do not know what those things are that you're supposed to be doing, then you ain't doing them. Or you're doing what you think you should be doing, but that's a waste of time because that ain't what you're supposed to be doing. Well, with our digital growth community, you're going to get training and guidance step by step on effective social media strategies so you don't have to go out there and pay thousands of dollars for ads. And then they're going to also teach you the daily routine that you need. What should you be doing within a 2-hour workday so you can have the rest of the day for yourself, but you can get whatever you need to do in 2 hours or less and effectively market your business. So they're going to give you the daily routine for the 2-hour workday. Step number three, why a lot of people fail online and why people have failed before is that some businesses are not beginner friendly. What do I mean by that? You need a business model that, really that is really plug and play for a beginner. So here's what we do. In our digital growth community, we take out the tech overwhelm by giving you the funnels already put together for you. You just have to click a couple things and, boom, it's implemented, right? So that's what you have to do is follow those directions and implement it. The other thing that we do for beginners is content is always something that beginners struggle with, right? And here's the thing. If you have content that's pretty much done for you, you don't have to work that hard. You will have to do some pieces in between. And that's what I do, right? I leverage the free content. You will see this on my channel. I leverage the free content that is in the community, and then I sprinkle in my own content, right? So that's what they teach you how to do. For example, there's the done for you ads. You can take those copy and paste done for you ads. You can actually make a TikTok out of those. You can take those and you can make a Facebook post. Those are beginner friendly strategies for a beginner who doesn't know what marketing is at this point, right? Out of the gate, they can begin marketing their business, right? The other thing is we have weekly webinars where they upload those webinars. You can download those webinars, right, and upload them to your social media. Okay, you didn't have to create that webinar, right? It's giving people the information. You can upload it right to your social media. Okay, so you got copy and paste ads, your webinars, but those are pieces of done for you content. And then in the digital growth community, they show you how to do faceless videos within the 90-day ramp so that you can do TikToks that take you seconds to create, and you don't even have to show your face if you want to. I made one the other day where I had a background of a beach and I just put the text on there, and that was that, right? So those are done for you simple pieces of content that are beginner friendly. Okay. Number 4, lack of consistency. Consistency is key in growing anything, right? You have a brick and mortar business, being an online business, you have to be consistent with having an online presence. So what I mean by that is whatever platform that you decide you want to grow on, you have to be consistent on that platform. You have to be consistent, right? So jumping from one platform to another, that's just going to hinder your progress. You need to stay accountable to your efforts on one platform until you see growth. And that is one thing that is powerful within our digital growth community that they really just share is the importance of that. And then the next one is feeling alone, right? So as a digital entrepreneur, there's going to be times where you feel alone, right, in your journey because you may be the only person in your family who's ever been an entrepreneur, right? Or you might be married and your husband or wife is like, I don't know, you doing that little internet thing, or like my grandma used to always throw shade at me until she started seeing my big chicks. But she used to throw shade at me and say, "Oh, you're doing that Mary Kay MLM thing." I'm like, boo, this ain't an MLM. So you might feel a little bit alone, right? So the good thing is in the digital growth community is there's a built-in community. There's over 3,000 members in this community, right? So there's always someone who's on the journey with you who are doing the same things from all walks of life, from all stages of coming into this internet space, from beginner to intermediate to advanced, so that you can connect with people, so that you can, be encouraged as you see other people's wins, etc. This is what you need to be around, is people who are doing what you're doing as you're doing it. So learning and earning at the same time, being around like-minded people and things like that. All right, let me move on. Got my little notes. All right, I already talked about consistency, but also making sure that you have a daily routine with your marketing efforts. If you don't have a daily routine with your marketing efforts, you're going to struggle to see results, and you're going to struggle to see consistent results. You might have a win here, then you have a dry spell, then you get another win, then you have a dry spell because you don't have a marketing routine. Well, in our community, again, let's go back, 2-hour workday. They teach you how to stay committed to a 2-hour workday, which is focused on building your content and following up people who asked for your website. And it's that quick. Like, you're not chasing anybody, just people who ask for information, just delivering the website to them so they can go click on it, and then your system, your automation takes over from there. So that's your job within the 2 hours. And the good thing is within the 90-day ramp up, they tell you what you're supposed to be making your video on for 90 days. Okay. So the next thing why a lot of people fail in online business is lack of automation. Okay. Automation is one of the best things to keep you from working 24/7. You have to have a system that 24/7 it is giving out information about your business so that when people go through it. You have to have a system that whenever you're not actively in your business, it still is able to collect the sale and present information for you. When I was working full time and I wanted to leave my job and I was able to do that, and many of you saw that journey, followed that journey. The only way I was able to do that is because when I was at work, I was making $500 commissions. That's when I finally was like, deuces, I'm out. Like when I got months of just constantly getting paid $500 a day because I had a system that when I was asleep, it was people were able to watch a presentation. They were like, oh, I like this. I'm going to buy. And everyone didn't buy instantly, but some people followed my journey for a month or two. And then when they were ready to buy, they had a system that was continuing to give them emails and they clicked on it and they bought. That's what automation can do for you. Okay. So you want to have that so you don't have to do that with manual effort. And you don't have to constantly be in your inbox and constantly be doing manual stuff. Anybody got time for that? So I hope that this really made a lot of sense. You know, if you failed in the past with making money online, don't be discouraged. These are all common issues that I just shared with you today. You really need to find a system that works. I'm offering you opportunities to learn about one beneath this video, right? Where you're going to get consistent training. You're going to get consistent opportunities to develop your mindset. You're going to get consistent guidance on what type of content. A lot of people tell you you're supposed to be making content and to give value. Nobody knows what that means. What does that mean? The fact that they give you a video, they're showing you how to build value by giving you a video every day that you should be making in your business. Okay? So that's what you're supposed to be doing. And then you have access to the community. You are able to make high payout commissions. These are all the things that are built and wrapped around your income system. Okay, I want to take you quickly because I have talked a lot. I want to show you how our members are getting results. So let me just pause this and go over there. All right, so just to share a couple results of our members, we have Wyndham here. Shout out to Wyndham. He said, wow, 4 sales within 48 hours. So excited to share my wins. I had 4 sales within 48 hours. So blessed to have found this. Let's go. All right, and then we have Jean. Jean said, I got my first sale. I love when people say, I got my first sale. Because once you make your first sale, it's all the way up. I'm sorry. So Jean said, I got my first sale. $300 in just 3 weeks in the program. This is life-changing, becoming the best version of me, right? Courtney had a shout out, and Courtney said, you can do this. I'm talking to you, those who have failed before and they didn't understand because you were missing pieces. You didn't understand. I just gave you all the pieces you need to put together, and it's put together in this community, right? It's not about an opportunity. It's about where is your income system and what's wrapped around your income system. What's the gas? Just the gas, right? So Courtney said, you can do this. My life changed 6 weeks ago when my girl Jenna introduced me to this program. I'm paying off debt. I hit over 5 figures in my business. I give lots of tips and tricks on my TikTok account for others to grow. I just want you to know it can take time to grow, but to keep pushing and to never give up, sending good vibes. And I wake up every day and drive to success. All right, shout out to her. And then we have RJ said, I'm grateful for the simple changes. I'm a weekend. My mindset, this 90-day growth will change your mind, really. My mindset has shifted so much in these past few days. Oh, wait, let me go back a little bit. This is why mindset is so important. I really didn't kind of go into that, but I'm about to go into it real quick. Mindset is so important because a lot of us have stinking thinking. We have self-doubts, limiting beliefs, and we really become our own worst problem. That's why I like the 90-day ramp up, because it's not like fluffy, foofy, like mindset stuff. It's like raw, like here's what you need to know to really get your mind together to win as an entrepreneur. And here's the active steps you need to take today to start moving your business closer to being a success. And that's it. It's bite-sized bits of moving your business forward instead of being stuck in information overload. But let's get back right in this. Said daily TikToks are so much fun to create. The 90-day ramp up is priceless. I would agree with that. Seeing all the great and creative TikToks, others in the group, is very inspiring. I'm just so grateful when life presents ways in which I can get out of myself and find positive ways to encourage and serve others. This is a wonderful platform for just that. Thank you. And then Krista says, shout out to Krista. Krista said, I got my first 600 sale. Woo, woo. What an amazing blessing day. I'm on my way back down to Florida. I don't even know where that is, but I'm back down to Florida to care for my sister-in-law who is battling stage 4 breast cancer. And during our 9-hour drive, God blessed me with my first sale, $600 while driving. That's that automation. What business allows you to make $600 while driving? A business that has automation. This one does. So blessed. So as you can see, our members are getting results. So when you decide to get this income system for yourself, you're going to get access to our step-by-step blueprint, which is inside your digital product that you get that you also become a reseller for. You're going to learn how to create income in the online space. Okay, you're going to have the options of being able to do pre-written copy and paste ads, Facebook marketing, Craigslist marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all of those. You can pick one or two of those platforms that you want to have your business running on, because we're not paying thousands of dollars for ads. We're able to get our business out there without that, and this is where you're going to learn it. Now, again, these are the exclusive opportunities that are wrapped around your business. You're going to get training around how to, launch with the IPS digital products there, because there's 4-pack digital packages that you can pick from to get started from. And then you're going to learn how to launch around that. You're going to get access to that 90-day ramp up that I've been talking about, where every day for 90 days, she's giving you step-by-step instruction for that day of what you need to do to grow your business, what content you need to create, what you need to know to get your mind right for the day. And I love it. Before I go to bed, I'm listening to my 90-day ramp up video. I get excited to listen to my 90-day ramp up video. You're also going to get access to mentoring and tech replays. And then you're going to get training on how to find your perfect customer. There's online networking events, and you're going to get that automated funnel that I talked to you about already put together for you. And you just do a couple clicks to be able to set that up. Your website is done for you by the company, and that's that. Your business is put together. That funnel that we're talking about, with what has a high conversion rate, it creates your rejection-free business. Meaning that when people go in your business, they go into your funnel, you don't have to say no to them, right? They'll sort themselves out through your funnel, right? So if you're ready to get started today, link in the description, and then you can, chat with me or go through my funnel. And that's it. I can't wait to celebrate you having days like this. See you in the next one.